Hey guys, if you come to Japan, just be careful about these. The name does not lie. Anyway, uh, that's not the point of this one. There's a really nice snow happening right now. This is probably going to happen a lot for the season. But you can see right here, there's quite a bit happening. And here's my lovely balcony. I'm not gonna step out because I'm not gonna step out there because it's all wet and snowy. But Japanese snow. Nom nom. It's a really beautiful scene. Got a little more of that nice. I could probably turn off my refrigerator and just start storing things out here. Save on electricity. Hoo ha. Anyway, let's see. Sierra, I hope you're digging it in Hiroshima. Stay toasty down there. We're staying frosty up here. Everyone else, do what you do. Be awesome wherever you are. Good night.